Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you our authentic food, starting with the biryani. See the juicy tomato with chicken and basmati rice. Wait, I'll zoom in. Here, see that? Delicious basmati rice, tomato, and chicken. Now moving on to the Shanghai. Chicken Shanghai with crispy skin. Very delicious and only 10 pesos. And I'm gonna show you the inside. Here, I took a bite. Look. Chicken and vegetables. Next up, I'm gonna show you lugao. Here, this is the lugao. It was just cooked right now. It's very delicious. Now, for champorado, I'm gonna show you right now. Here, see that? Authentic. And of course, Tito Adam's Authentic Biryani in Northville 14, Pampanga, Luzon. Okay, let's go now. Bye bye, everybody.